guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, what I have for you today is another Christmas DIY. I think this is going to be so cute, but first let me show you just a few food items that I found at Walmart, and you might be interested and you might not. I found these diamond peppermint chocolate nut pie crusts, and they have walnuts and pecans in real cocoa in there. And I think that is going to be delicious. So I picked up 2 of them. I'm planning on making some pies, okay? So I just thought I'd let you know in case, because they probably won't last long. And you know how I love Little Debbie's. My husband and I were crazy about them. Well, they came out this year with large trees. Look at the size of this tree. You really could split it. It's crazy, but I just wanted to let you know about that. I know I'm a mess, but I love Little Debbie's, okay? So now that we have that out of the way, what we're going to make today is like a Christmas tree topiary, and I think it's going to be really cute. I made one like this, about 2 years ago, and I'll link that in the description box and behind this video. But I use smaller beads. Well, I'm going to move it into my living room since it's silver and cold, and since this tree and everything in here is the reds and the golds and the greens, I'm going to make a new one for my dining room. So let me show you what you'll need. I picked this up. It's like a tree cone. It was $5.99 at Hobby Lobby, but it's 50% off, okay? And then I picked up these beautiful beads, garland like this. It's bead garland from Walmart. They have them in the gold, silver. I think they had them in red, and I started to alternate the colors, but then I was like, no, I don't think I want to. And they were $9.98. I picked up 2 because I don't know how much it's going to take to fill this. Then I'm either going to use this ribbon that I had left over from my tree in my dining room, or I'm going to use this really pretty gold ribbon. I don't know which. Okay, and then I thought I might even use this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. So I don't know, I might just use this, okay? You'll need a brush. And then I'm going to be using some of this FolkArt Metallic Inca Gold. I picked this up at Walmart a long time ago. And you'll need some scissors and a hot glue gun. It is that simple. So let me get everything situated and we will start making this Christmas tree topiary for 2020. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is paint this with the FolkArt Metallic Inca Gold. You could probably spray paint this if you wanted, but I don't want to. Okay, and I'm just going to put some out on my brush, and I did a test to see what it would do, and right there you can see it does take it. So I'm not going to saturate this, but I'm going to give it a nice coating of it because I don't want this like brownish paper to show up behind my bulbs. I don't think that would look too good, okay? So all I'm doing is just putting a coat on there, and you can see the difference. It's kind of hard to pick it up, and I'm gonna make sure I don't have any like globs or runs or anything. And so I'm not gonna have you watch me do this because I know you know what I'm doing. So as soon as I get this painted all the way to the top, I'll be back. Okay, it doesn't take this any time to dry, and you can see how cute this already is. If you wanted, you could stop here, or you could just put glitter on this. It would be so pretty, and all I did was put a very light coat of paint. But what I'm thinking about doing is taking this ribbon and let's see, I think I'll cut it off about right here. Rather have it too long than too short. Then I'm going to fold it right into, I love this ribbon, and then I'm going to fold it again sort of like that. I think that is really pretty, okay? Now you can glue this if you want, and I might do that just because I think it would make my life a lot easier. So I'm going to glue it together here. So it won't be coming loose. Okay, we've got that much glued. That's what we're getting. You could sew this if you want. I've said so many times I don't sew. So hot glue is my friend, okay? So then I'm just gonna fold it in two again, put a bead of glue right in through here. Not a lot because it will hold. I use the Gorilla Glue sticks. Several of you have asked me what I use, and I have them linked in my description box. They come in mini and the large. Okay, so that is what we're getting so far. I think that's so pretty. Now I'm going to turn this around. Now it kind of puddled down here, so I'm just going to dab it where it had been rolling down, I guess. Okay. All right, now what I want to do is just put, I think this is going to be so cute, put some hot glue right here, lay this down, and just glue this right on here like this. This is going to be a beautiful little base for our tree, and it's going to tie it in quite nicely to my tree in there in the dining room. You could put any color that you wanted on it, and I knew I made it a little longer than it needed to be, and that is fine because I'd rather it be too big than too small. Okay, and I think I'll overlap it a little bit. Okay, so I cut that off. Going to come right through here, pull it taut, and then right here I'm going to overlap it. Press down with my spatula so I don't burn myself. And that's what we're getting so far. I think that is so pretty and festive, okay? And so simple. This is very simple to do, okay? Now, like I said, the ones I made before had the very small beads, but I wanted big beads. So all you have to do is just find your end, okay? And I'm going to, I think, start everything towards the back, okay? And I'm just going to put a dab of glue. Going to put that bead right there, hold it, roll this around, and then I think I'll put another dab of glue right here, hold that. You could glue every one if you wanted. I think I'll do like every third bead. Okay. Then we'll put this one right here. And this is what we're getting so far. I think that's going to be so pretty. And you could totally customize this to your own colors and your decor. It's so simple to do, okay? And then right here, I'll put that down. Then right here, I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this bead right here, okay? And I'm just going to join it right like that. And just hold it. Okay, this is what we're getting so far. I think that is so pretty. I love it. I really, really do love how that's turning out. I need to hold this one just a little bit longer. I didn't put enough glue on it, okay? So that's what we're going to do, and then I'm going to go find my end, and I'm going to keep having it at the back, and all I'm going to do here, lay that down, I'm going to get some glue, and where do I want to put this one? You can offset these if you want, or you can just stack them on top of each other. I think I might offset them. And I think I might glue every two. I think that might be better because it doesn't have all that pulling on it. Okay, then I'm just going to lay that down. Going to offset this one. So I'm going to glue every two. I might glue, yeah, I think I'll do every two. I started to say I might do every one because these beads are so heavy. Okay. And this is what we're getting so far. I think that is gorgeous, okay? So I'm going to continue going around here and I won't have you watch me. It'll take me a little while and I'll show you as I progress upwards. Okay, I'm up this far so far and I think this is coming along terrific. So pretty. And what I'm doing, when I get to an end, I just cut the beads off. I cut it off, I glue it, and then I take another one and cut it loose and stick it in between. And it really does work very nicely, I think. I have tons of glue webs on here, but this is getting heavy. Okay, so I'll keep going and then I'll be back. Okay, this is what we're getting so far, and I just lapped it around the top, cut them individually and put them on there. Now I think I like it. This is heavy. I think I'm going to go in between here and start adding little beads. You wouldn't have to. You could definitely leave it just like this if you wanted to. I think that's pretty, but I'm just cutting off individual beads. So you only need one container and just a few. So you probably would need 2 containers. It would just depend on how you did it. But I'm just sticking this on here in places. And I'm kind of liking it. I'll have to see. I'll put a couple more on and see for sure. But I'm just sticking it right in there. Like I said, it's totally optional and you could put it every here and there. You don't have to do it all over. And I may not do it all over, just every once in a while put it on there. But it kind of reminds me, and I always go back to candy, one of those Toblerone trees or whatever. It kind of reminds me of that. But just put it like wherever you want it. I will tell you, you have to be careful or you'll burn your fingers. I burned mine. But I definitely would glue like every 2 of these beads down. I think it goes better. It helps it hold on. And I put way too much glue on that one. It really just depends on how you want it. So as soon as I get finished, I'm only going to do a couple more, then I'll be back. Well, here it is. I love how this turned out. I think it is so pretty. What I ended up doing, and I hope this will focus, is I just put little ones that stuck out every so often on here to just make it look so dimensional. I love it. But I think it is so pretty, and you could put gold down here at the bottom if you wanted. I might change mine out to gold right here. I don't know, I'll have to look, but I really love it. And this is so weighty, I'm not kidding. I love it. I think it is so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Monday for a Christmas Cricut DIY. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing yet. And then I will see you Tuesday, probably for a Christmas Decorate with Me. Now, I'm going to go put this over there where I think I'm going to put it, and then I'll show you our new door that we put in if the light will pick it up. It is so beautiful, but it did take a while. So let's go take a look at this. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is where I'm going to put it. I might put some greenery around the base of it, but like I said, it's so festive looking, and I'll come in close and let you see. It's really tall, and like I said, it is so heavy. Let me zoom in close for you. But there you can see, like every so often, I just put a bead sticking up. You could do that all over. You wouldn't have to do it, but I think it is so sweet looking. I love it. Now let me show you my door and let you see what it looks like. Okay, here's my new door in here. I love it. It is so pretty. It says laundry on it. It's glass, and my husband put a new frame in and the door. Let me kind of zoom in. I love it. It is so nice, and it looks so much better than that other one that was there. So, and Maggie is barking at I'm not sure what. I'm gonna have to go check. So until next time.